Hey, welcome back to another episode. Tonight's going to be a little bit different. We are on our way to Arkansas, and we're going to be camping at, I don't want to spoil it just yet, but it's going to be a different type of camp. I know for myself and maybe some others out there, you've seen places like this, and you're like, man, that'd be a really cool spot to camp, kind of out of the box a little bit, definitely different, but I think we'll have a good time. But we got a little bit of a drive ahead of us, so first we got to stop at the store, pick up some stuff, and then we'll hit the road. All right, guys, we got about 2 hours left on our journey here. Here pretty soon I need to pull over and get some gas and go potty. It's going to be a pretty fun time. We're meeting up with Ben with Semper Gumby and Chuck with Whiskey Dog Outdoors, and I think the guy from Mamu's Kitchen, the owner of that, is going to be down there as well. So it's going to be a good time linking up with all those guys and meeting new people. So I'm excited, and I really do think you guys are going to enjoy the area we'll be camping. So let's knock these last 2 hours out. All right, guys, we just pulled in here. Just got my truck leveled. We're getting ready to set that up. Get to sleep next to Mr. Whiskey Dog Outdoors and Preacher over here at his apartment. I'll come over here and take a look at everybody else so far that showed up. That's the man right there. Hi, Preacher. Hi, Preacher. Good boy. Yeah, fancy. Sweet van over here. Mr. Mamu's Kitchen right here. And the man himself.
Hello.
Oh, and Hoku. Hi, Hoku.
Free.
Hi. Good to see you again.
See, I didn't eat anybody this week.
Good. So that means you're hungry.
Oh, cool. Kennel. Back. Back.
Oh.
Back. Seats.
But it's going to be a fun time tonight. All right, guys. I'm out here with Ben with Semper Gumby. Got Mamu's Camp Kitchen out here as well. Check out this sweet van here. He's going to start building it out, and it's going to be real nice. And of course, we have Chuck over here, his apartment that he got. Pretty awesome. And then I still have to set mine up. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Get that set up, and then we'll get on with the evening. All right, guys, I pretty much have camp set up. Got my chair, my fancy little table set up, tents up and out, bedding's all squared away. And I guess now is a good time to tell you what we're doing and where we're at. We are at a drive-in movie theater. We're going to be staying the night tonight. I think a few of the guys are staying an additional night tomorrow as well. So put down in the comments what movie you think we're going to watch.
I'd work 7 to 3, come home, and whatever coffee I had that was left over is in the cup, right? So that's roast.
All right, so instead of cooking what I got earlier from Reese's, the bacon wrap steak bites, I don't know if you guys could see that clearly, but instead of doing that tonight, we actually ordered some pizzas from a place just 4 minutes down the road here. So they're gonna go pick that up, and then we'll have pizza tonight. And I think in the morning I'll do the bacon wrapped steak bites. So it'll be sweet. Look at the celebrity I ran into right here. What's up, preacher? What's up? It's turned out to be a pretty nice evening. The sun's been pretty much covered up. We were kind of worried if it was going to rain. It was kind of going back and forth, but so far so good. Pizza's here. Got my table. Oh, hey, Chuck.
I don't know if you're a nice guy.
Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, right.
This is
We're gonna go ahead and
vintage case
sit around here
collection.
and
this is just some of
chow
his
down.
ones that I
Plate,
threw
y'all got
in here.
boxes.
Yeah, these are.
That's true.
his- 90.3. Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Oh, that looks amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm about to chow down. All right, that's as much as I could eat of that pizza right now. It was good. They have big old pieces of brisket on there. Really good. So we're just gonna hang out a little bit longer, wait for the sun to go down behind the trees, behind the actual screen there, and wait for the movie to come on. So yeah. So I'm especially excited for this evening because the movie that we're going to be seeing is The Mandalorian and Grogu. So super pumped. It should be a good night, especially for a huge Star Wars nerd like myself. And then I'm going to go change into my Star Wars shirt. So we'll get the evening going. Semper Gumby over here getting down with the lightsaber. All right, so it is about 12 o'clock at night. We stayed up entirely too late talking after the movie, which was, I say it was okay. The Fellowship was a lot better than the movie, but I'm gonna go ahead and head to bed. Got both fans on. It's high 60s right now. It's gonna cool down a little bit more, so hopefully it cools down faster. I did get this, I don't know if you can see it that well. What's it called? Fluid Cache. I'll let you guess what this is for, but gotta be a game changer for sure. But we'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. I think we're gonna get some coffee and some breakfast going here in a minute. Pretty much everybody's awake except the two that came in late last night, so we'll get some coffee and some breakfast. Everybody else is just hanging out. Oh, Sasquatch. Bigfoot confirmed.
I'm like a vanilla wafer, brown on the outside.
Yeah, brown on the outside, white on the inside. Water going. I'm glad I'm not the only one too, because I totally loaded this.
2 hours doing that shit.
Yeah, I loaded this up backwards, so there's that. Yeah, this is supposed to go under there, and I put that right there. So maybe I'll try to just, I don't know how, but
Hey, I think coffee will be the end result.
yeah, we'll see here. Yep. Oh yeah, great job, Austin, idiot. So some of you probably saw that I put this in backwards. So we're gonna give that another go and hopefully get this right. So if you're watching and you notice that I did that, kudos to you. Just poured this in the barrel. For those of you interested, got this at Reese's. Had it before, it's really good.
Is everything on the home front?
Dude,
Do what?
you want to hear just coaches? Well, you had that one coach was crazy myself.
Yeah.
So the first team that we were on.
All right, coffee's done. Food's done here. I'm gonna finish this and enjoy my cup of coffee and hang out with the guys. So we'll see you here in a minute. All right, guys, got all my stuff pretty much packed up all the way. Just gonna hang out for a little bit, maybe eat some lunch, and then we're gonna head out of here. But before I go and end this video, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Stone Drive-In in Mountain View, Arkansas. It was a wonderful time. We got to watch the movie on the big screen, and I can't say good enough things about this place. So make sure you come check this out if you're in the area. I also want to thank Ben with Semper Gumby and Chuck with Whiskey Dog Outdoors, and also Paul with Mammo's Camp Kitchen. It was an awesome time. Look forward to hanging out with these guys some more. Also, if you see any of the gear that I was using, like my table, chair, other stuff, I have most of that stuff linked in the description. So you can go ahead and find that if you're interested in that at all. So without further ado, I just want to say thank you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.